Hello. Hello you guys, I have arrived at my hotel. I'm staying at a Hyatt and I have a double bedroom just because that's how it worked out. I am just going to get ready for bed, maybe watch some TV, look over my TikTok for tomorrow, exactly what I'm going to be doing when I'm going to be meeting my constituent that I'm working with here. And then tomorrow is just going to be super busy. Hi guys. What's up? I just had a toothpaste and toothbrush run up because I forgot mine. Hello you guys, good morning. I just woke up about 5 minutes ago. It is like 8 a.m. and I have to get ready and get going. I'm just gonna put on some makeup, change my outfit. I was gonna curl my hair, but I don't think I'm gonna do that now. So I'm just gonna go to a coffee shop, bring my laptop, make sure all of my notes are ready for today. I'm just gonna do my makeup right now. So we're first gonna go in with the Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. And then I will be using my NARS, it's not even close, NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in You guys didn't hear that. I would never burp on camera. This bag's smaller than this bag. Why is it like that? Anyway, I don't understand. Listen to Natalie Barbu's podcast, and I'm on her Facebook group, and I think it's like a lot of fun to be able to connect with so many people that are going through similar things right now. I just posted my YouTube on there, and I got a lot of like really good feedback. So yeah, that was really nice of them. This is my version of baking or setting. I still don't know what I'm doing. All I know is that it makes me look less shiny, which I love. I love doing that. Just because I live in such a sweaty city and I don't want any like huge shine like people in LA do, because when it's 99 degrees out and really humid, you just look sweaty. You don't look shiny or cute. This is my super janky Anastasia contour kit. It's the light to medium in powder. So I got this at TJ Maxx for like $14. So I just use like those two colors down there, really. I don't know what to do with that. I think that's also like maybe a similar setting powder, but I don't know how to use that. If you're like on a stricter budget and you're a student or something like I used to be, I would just buy the minis. That's what I used to do. But now that I have a full-time job and I have a little bit more in my budget to spend on things like makeup, I do it. I use the Benefit brow pencil. They have this great set right now where it's 2 pencils and then like a mini or something. It was like $30, but hello. Eyebrows finished. Now we're gonna blush. So I use the Tarte Peaceful blush. It's like this cute pink. What's that? I don't know how to do eyeliner. My eyeliner's gonna look like right now, but you know, I already know that, so you don't have to comment. Or you can if you want. Sometimes it just happens and you have to move on with your life. I have friends who are amazing at doing this, and it's like really awkward because I'll like show up to events and be like, hi, I'm here, with like really janky eyeliner. I put on way too much contour and blush. Oh, okay, so let's do mascara now. I'm just gonna get dressed really quickly and then head out because it's definitely time for me to go. Okay, I will see you guys in a minute. Bye. So I'm just wearing some black jeans from the Loft, some black Treasure and Bond boots with little studs at the bottom. Hi guys, so I am just on the Capitol right now and I just had breakfast, and so I'm just filming some b-roll for my work video, just walking around the campus. It's really beautiful. I I would say it's like a quarter of the size of the one in Washington, D.C., but it's really lovely here. I really miss California weather right now. It's like 68 degrees, maybe a little bit less, and cool. It'd be super humid by now in Washington, so I'm really pleased about this weather right now. Okay, so I just finished at the Hill. I just left my patient to go pick up her car. It was really good. I had to leave early, so I don't really know where it stands with the bill, but hopefully it gets passed. But yeah, my constituent ended up doing a great job testifying. It's really exciting to be able to see someone go from, you know, just being a grandmother and just working at home, being a waitress, to being able to testify in front of her legislators and share her story and affect change. So doing things like this and being able to travel and see patients is something I really enjoy as part of my job. So I have a lot of footage to edit tonight before I go on vacation, so I'm gonna go back to my hotel and work on that. Okay, you guys, I'm leaving my apartment in a minute. I'll just show you what I'm wearing. I am wearing this top I just got from Verge Girl. It's ribbed at the top and it has these cute little sleeves. And then this linen mango skirt, which I love, and some Treasure and Bond sandals. I'm also wearing my makeup necklace that says Anita. Yeah, so I'm just gonna head out. I will show you guys some of the city, and yeah. You guys, this is the park near the Capitol. It's really cute. I'm just walking along it to go meet my friends. It's random, but I really love the mix of trees here. There's like palm trees, sequoias. It's awesome. I think that someone told me that they have all the different trees that grow in California here. So I don't know, I think that's really pretty and a fun fact. Found this cute little thrift store. I don't really have time to go in right now, but I picked out a few items and they were super cute. So if you're ever in Sacramento, I definitely recommend going in here. Okay, you guys, so it is the end of my trip. I am gonna go to sleep shortly. I'm just gonna take off my makeup, maybe do a face mask, and really just go to sleep. I would need a really go to sleep. But yeah, I'm so excited to have been able to take you along with me on this trip. I think it was really successful job-wise, and it was also just really nice to spend some time alone. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please let me know. If you have any questions about my job or anything at all, really just ask me in the comments, or you can send me an email. My email is in the description box. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, have a good night, you guys. Bye.